Son of it, no, I'm not perfect. But Father God, just forgive me. Enough of the things I'm going to do. Say it. My sins. Pray to my God. Oh, Jaja. Oh, Jaja.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'm about to go to the movie with my nephew Pele. So we're about to go to the movie theater, so I will check back in with you guys later to let you see what's happening while we're on the road. Alright, bye. So it's that far. Hey guys, so I'm here. I reached Crossroad, about to go into the movie right now. Let me show you. 2003. Okay. Which garage? Which seminar tree? Oh, yeah. I get some first. Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna get something first. Hungry. So the way up there. Eh? Really? You not buy nothing? Yeah, skim with the money, man. Yeah, skim with the money. Oh yeah, move so. Okay guys, I just leaving the movie. My dear family funeral. It was good. Laugh a lot. Lots of laughing. It's good. Yep. Heading home. Huh? Where's the Pele? Enjoy the movie, Pele?
No.
No, you're too lying. Y'all laugh so much? Oh, please. It was good. I enjoy it. Made me laugh a lot. So, guys. What? What you say? What you say, Pele? What you say? So guys, heading home now. I enjoy myself. Movie was fun.
On the car top of spin. What was the song was spin on the top of car? What was it before?
I know, I don't remember. What else?
Cigarette box, man.
It was a big cigarette box that was on there.
Souvenir box.
You know, I don't remember. But it was good. Good laugh. Funny.
You got that?
Enjoy it. Huh? Yeah, I forgot that. Forgot what was there. Enjoy the movie. No, but it was a good laugh. So, heading out now. So, bye.